about that? In the winter of 1777, it was bitter cold, especially for the troops of the Continental Army. They'd been camped in Valley Forge by a river. The Schuylkill River for months, waiting for General Washington. Yeah, we just talked about him when he was 6. Waiting for General Washington's orders to attack the British, who were no doubt warm and well fed because of what's that law where they had to board troops?
I don't remember what that's called right now.
Food supplies had grown scarce, and the bitter cold kept every soldier wrapped tightly in as many blankets as he owned or could steal from his fellow companions. "What's for dinner, Sergeant?" the captain asked his cook. "Nothing, sir," the cook answered promptly. "The larder is bare." What's a larder?
I don't know.
Okay. "Are we going to starve then?" asked the captain. "Yeah, looks that way, sir," Captain Violet said. Not exactly the kind of cheerful optimism that Captain had wanted to hear.